The warning Gearbox Fault select POG before engine stop in the Range Rover Evoque in most cases means that there is a problem with the auxiliary 12-volt battery that's located just underneath the glove box in the passenger's footwell for the post-2014 model years. Earlier, the auxiliary battery that's located just near your main 12-volt battery in the engine bay carried this function. So for the 2014 Evoque and later model years, you will need to take off the plastic cover near the fuse box and you will see this little battery. It should read about 12.5 volts when the engine is not running, and once the engine is started, the voltage should go over 13 volts. That's important because sometimes the problem is not in the battery but in the wiring that connects this battery, or also in the ground wires and connections. Even though it's not that common, it's worth keeping in mind. Also, after model year 2016, Land Rover stopped using auxiliary batteries and had just one main 12-volt AGM battery. So if you still have these issues, it may mean that the main battery is low on voltage and needs recharging or replacement. So if your Evoque has the battery underneath the glove box, the original one is usually the PowerSonic PS1212 model with 12 volts and 1.2 ampere hours, and it will cost you around 100 euros if you buy from the dealership. But fortunately, this is the standard size 1.2 amp hour battery, so you can buy any other unit with the same specs and size, and it will cost you something like 20-25 euros. Also, installing this battery is a 5-minute DIY job. Just use a screwdriver to pop this battery out and then disconnect it. Usually they fail after 5 or 6 years of service, but with short driving cycles, the lifespan of these batteries is shorter than that.